Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Glenn. I upload videos MWF, which is Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So anyways, in this video, as you guys can see already in the title, I will be doing a what fits on my Prada mini nylon bag. This is the re-edition 2000. Now I did unbox or paper boxing a month ago, but I totally forgot to do a what fits inside because I think I just did a unboxing or paper boxing. But anyways, a lot of you guys DM me, and not a lot, but some of you guys DM me on asking if maybe I can do a what fits on this bag, because some of you guys are interested on what fits in this little tiny bag. So anyways, if you haven't watched the paper boxing unboxing, I will leave the link in the description box below or put it somewhere in the screen. So anyways, I did use this bag I think 2 or 3 times already, and it's so cute. I do really like it. So anyways, first things first, we're gonna try to put my Gucci key pouch, and I'm gonna put it here in the bag. I'm just gonna put like my essentials, like I normally, you know, what I normally bring. So I got my key pouch here. I have my Love and Beauty Planet. This is the hand lotion right there. I got this at Target. And my power bank. I always have my power bank with me. And my iPhone charger. So power bank in here, charger, my AirPods. Put the AirPods here. I'm also gonna put my scrunchie. I always have my lip gloss right here, and also my Burt's Bees. Either or, I always bring them with me. And I have my alcohol. I'm just gonna put it in the side. I'm gonna put my alcohol in the side. So what else? I have cash here, which I should have put this in my key pouch, but let me just put this in my key pouch real quick. Put this back here. Alright, I still have so much space, and I have my band-aid here for some reason, just in case. And I'm gonna try to put my phone. I have a iPhone XX Max, so I'm gonna put the phone here, right there. And it still has so much space, you guys. Mind you, this is a tiny bag, and oh my god, look. So I got my phone, my alcohol, my key pouch, AirPods, lotion, iPhone charger, and this. So it fits quite a lot. This is the only, oh my god, this is a lot. So what else can I fit in here? Let me try to fit my Vice Cosmetics lip tint here. Oh my god, it has powder. And my eyeglasses. So I'm gonna try to zip them up. I normally don't put my eyeglasses in a bag, but I'm just gonna try. So yeah, I think that eyeglasses is my eyeglasses too much, but all right. So that fits, oh my god, quite a lot. There's powder in the bag. So right there, it is kind of heavy because my phone is here, the power bank is here, but I am amazed that it fits quite a lot, because when I use this bag, I only have here, because I don't normally put my phone in my bag, like my phone is in my hands 24/7. So if not, I put it in my pocket. But I'm gonna take them out. So what's in here is lip tint, AirPods, iPhone charger, iPhone right there, key pouch with my keys and house key, my car key and house key, my scrunchie, alcohol, rubbing alcohol, my lip gloss from Colourpop, iPhone charger, my Burst Bees lip balm, some Band-Aid, hand lotion, and my power bank. So that fits quite a lot, you guys. It may look like this bag is so tiny and small, but it fits quite a lot of my stuff that I normally use on a daily basis, like my charger, my phone, my power bank, rubbing alcohol, my hand lotion, scrunchies, my AirPods. So I did use this bag couple weeks ago when I went to run some errands and have a meeting. So I did use this bag, and this bag cost $725 US. I forgot with the tax, it depends on what state you are living, but $725 US for this bag. So there's different type of color within this bag. They have a blue, like a baby blue, they have pink, they have, oh my god, the pink is cute as well. They have yellow, oh my god, look at that yellow, and they have red, they have nude. I actually kind of like the nude one here. I like it. Hold on, I guess you can see. Yeah, I like the nude one. So the material is fabric right here, fabric. So this is the interior of the bag, looks like. It says Prada Milano there. Yeah, Prada. I'm just gonna Prada Milano, and this is the interior of the bag. But anyway, guys, that is it for today's video. If you want me to do a what fits on my Louis Vuitton bag, I'm still waiting on the organizer from Amazon that I ordered for my bag. So I think I will probably receive it around this next week Tuesday. So maybe next week Friday I will do like a what fits on my Speedy 25 if you guys want that. But anyways, this is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.